Hello, fellow cartoonists, other earthlings, and assorted creatures. My name is Christopher Hart. I'm your cartoonist today. Going to show you some fun stuff. I've got a cute character for you, very, very simple, that I want to show you how to draw. We're going to keep it big and simple, nothing complicated. You don't need complicated for cute. Actually, you need simple for cute. So this is going to be a cat, a kitten. We're going to start with a very big kitten head, like so. We're going to keep it a little sketchy because I'm not doing the finished one. I'm just going to give you the bones here. So it's sort of a circle, and sort of a circle is fun. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, then we're going to bring the body down here, really exaggerated. So we're going to give him a little kind of teardrop look here for the body. You notice the body is leaning sort of at a 45-degree angle, like that. And we'll bring the thigh in here, just a little bunched up bottom leg, and we'll bring in the arms here, also very, very short, but they touch the ground. Here's a shadow line right here. See that? And another one here. So put them together, and I'll just shave a little mass off this, like that. Bring it back a little further here. Make some changes as I go. I want to put a little more on the bottom here because that's due to a principle called compression. As something sits down, it widens out. Okay, now let's give them a center line here. Instead of looking straight at us, it's going to be slightly this way. You can see that with the lines kind of bending this way here. There we go. We'll bring those together. We can even darken that in. And a little tiny tail. For kittens, you give a tiny tail, not a big tail. So you have that shadow here, a little shadow under here, and it comes over here, just like that. Just to make it look like it's not floating midstream. And I'll put his eyes sort of a little higher than I usually do, because just for this character that I like. So we'll bring the center line about here. And you can play with it, you can adjust it, do whatever you want. A little less mass toward the top because that's the neck area. Okay, so how about this? We put just a little bump here for the bridge of the nose and a little tiny little dot of a nose because it's cute. We want the guy to be cute. Now let's give him really, or her, really big eyes, like this. And this way too, spread them apart. The bigger the eyes for cute characters, generally, the further apart they are, because it makes the face look big and round. Okay, like this. So I do it kind of carefully to make sure I have it right, especially when I'm doing a demo. But if you do it at home, you can make it sketchy and then use an overlay and get it right the second time. I'm going to put big eyeballs here looking up. Kind of cute expression. Like that. Let's darken that in. Very important that both eyes go in exactly the same direction. Now I'm going to work on the outside of the face. Very important before I continue anything else. So I'll bring this out a little bit. Bring this out so that I can bring it in. Out, in, and out for the cheek area. Need that on cute characters. Need that cheek to come out there and really do the work for you that you don't even need an expression for. He's getting cuter. He's getting cuter. She's getting cuter. Now, since she's a cat, I got to show some cat stuff, right? And that will take the shape of a little feathering right here. Okay, how about a couple of floating eyelashes, like that? And a little surprised look. That's all that needs. Like that, right? And a couple of small whiskers. That's a little detail, but if you have a cute and young character, generally the whiskers are short. In the evil and mature cat, they are long. So let's give them also here's another hint for you. Cute characters have short eyebrows toward the middle, like this. If you had a grown-up cat, say human character, you could have wide eyebrows. That's very expressive. But in these guys, usually this works. Small ears for Kitten. And just one line like that will indicate the interior. Let's put a nice little cute bow here. A little bit of hair like that. And let's have a little collar and sort of a floating license like this. Yeah. All right. And how about if I have something here. I just can't have a bow without coloring it. It's just, I think it's against the rules of the National Institute of Cartooning. Just made that up. But I can't. Got to color bow. There we go. That helps. It does help, actually. All right. A little darker. Sort of indicate a pupil. Just a little suggestion of that. Or, if you want, you can change the expression so easily here. It's cute to go down like that. It goes down a little, huh? But also, just a half smile. Also works, like that. And we could also add a little feathering here. Like that. So that's your typical cute character type. I hope you enjoyed it. And, let's bring this down. And if you want more hints on drawing people, cartooning people, and creating people characters, my new book is The Master Guide to Drawing Cartoons. So I hope you get that, and I hope you subscribe and you visit me again. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.